Hello students, today I will teach the Vedic civilization to students of standard 6. Aryans were a group of people who arrived in India and settled down in Punjab, which is referred to as Sapt Sindhu. Sapt Sindhu also means a region of 7 rivers. Historians believe that Aryans came from Central Asia and they settled in northwestern part of India, and slowly they migrated to other parts of India. Now the Vedic civilization is divided into two parts. The first age is early Vedic age and the second is later Vedic age. The early Vedic age is from 1500 BCE to 1000 BCE, and the later Vedic age is 1000 BCE to 600 BCE. A book called Rig Veda, it tells us a lot about the life and the religion of the early Vedic age. So, early Vedic age is also called the Rig Vedic period. Now we will study about the political setup of early Vedic age. Janas were the tribes in which Aryans had divided themselves, and Rajan was the head of the tribe. They lived in Grama, and the head of the Grama was called Gramini. Now this Jana was divided into Samiti and Sabha. Samiti was a group of large assembly and Sabha was a group of selected members. These members of Sabha only advised and guided the king. Children, the word Vedas means knowledge, and there are 4 main Vedas which give us a lot of information. And these Vedas are the Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda and Atharva Veda. They are the books of knowledge. Now we will study about the Vedic society. Many families, they lived together and it was called a Grama. And Grihapati was the head of the family. The women were treated with a lot of respect, and even the widowed women were allowed to remarry. The Vedic society was divided into 4 classes, and this was called the caste system. There were 4 main classes in the caste system. The first one was Brahmins, then Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras. Just have a look at this picture. It shows the caste system of the Vedic society. The uppermost class was the Brahmins, and they were the priests. They imparted education. The next one was Kshatriyas or the warriors. This one. They defended the territories and also fought for the king. The third one was Vaishyas. They were herders, farmers, merchants and craftspeople. This one. And the fourth one was Shudras. They were the farm workers, servants or laborers. The Shudras were just like slaves, and they worked to serve the other 3 classes. Now we will talk about food, dress and leisure of early Vedic age. Aryans ate meat, fruit, milk, butter and had drinks such as sura and soma. They wore dhoti as the lower garment and a shawl as the upper garment. They even wore a turban on the head. During their leisure time, they hunted, gambled, and did chariot racing. They even played music. The Aryans, they worshipped natural forces like Agni, the fire, Vayu, the wind, Surya, the sun, etc. as gods and goddesses. Means they worshipped nature. They also performed sacrifices called yajnas to please the gods and to seek their protection. So children, in the next video, I'll teach you about the later Vedic age. Thank you.